In a strategic move to strengthen defense cooperation in the Southeast Asia region, India has offered Prachand light attack helicopters and Dhruv utility helicopters to the armed forces of the Philippines. His offer not only shows India's advanced defense technology, but can also strengthen the bilateral partnership between the two countries, especially in the context of rising regional tensions. The Prachand is India's new attack helicopter designed to operate in high altitudes such as the Himalayas, and is similar to the Philippine Air Force's T-129B ATAK attack helicopter. India's decision to offer HAL Prachand to the Philippines was motivated by both countries' need for increased defense capabilities amidst increasingly complex security challenges. The Philippines faces various threats, both from extremist groups and maritime tensions with neighboring countries. We need to know what the capabilities of the HAL Prachand multi-role light attack helicopter that India is offering to the Philippines are. This is not only a strategic step in strengthening the Philippines' defense but also a solid foundation for cooperation between the two countries. India's ally has proposed its homegrown combat helicopter HAL Prachand to the Philippines. HAL Prachand is an attack helicopter made by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, designed to meet the needs of the Indian Armed Forces in the modern battlefield. The helicopter is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and advanced avionics systems, which makes it effective in carrying out a wide range of missions, from air support to direct combat operations. Prachand helicopters are designed to meet modern air defense requirements, with a focus on high maneuverability and precision strike capabilities. This helicopter has a light structure that allows high mobility, which is very important in light attack operations. Equipped with the latest technology, Prachand has an advanced avionics system that includes search and tracking radar, night vision system and encrypted communications capabilities. These features ensure the tactical and operational superiority of this helicopter in various terrain and weather conditions. The Prachand light attack helicopter represents a significant step forward in enhancing the Philippines' air defense capabilities. With advanced technology, precision strike capabilities and support for the local defense industry, Prachand has the potential to be a key element in maintaining the country's security and responding to evolving security challenges. Meanwhile, apart from attack helicopters, India is also offering 7 Dhruv helicopters which are said to be equivalent to the Bell 412 and have been previously offered to the Philippine Coast Guard and are believed to be in the advanced discussion stage to meet the requirement of 7 ship-ready helicopters. The HAL Dhruv is a utility helicopter designed and developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, in November 1984. The helicopter first flew in 1992. Its development was prolonged due to various factors including the Indian Army's requirements for design changes, budget restrictions, and sanctions imposed on India following the 1998 Pokhran II nuclear test. The name is derived from the Sanskrit word dhruv meaning unshakable or firm. The helicopter is designed to meet the needs of both military and civilian operators, with military variants of the helicopter being developed for the Indian Armed Forces, while variants for civil, commercial use have also been developed. Military versions in production include transport, utility, reconnaissance, and medical evacuation variants. India's offer of Prachand light attack helicopters to the armed forces of the Philippines creates new opportunities to enhance Philippine defense capabilities and deepen military ties between the two countries. With a focus on modern technology, regional security and defense independence, this move could lay the foundation for a stronger strategic partnership in the future. This offer not only reflects cooperation in the military field, but also indicates a push to increase economic cooperation between the two countries. With the export of HAL Prachand and HAL Dhruv attack helicopters, India can strengthen its position as a leading defense equipment manufacturer in the world. This move could also open the door to further collaboration in defense technology and technology transfer between India and the Philippines, creating long-term economic and cooperative opportunities. India's offer to provide HAL-DRUV to the Philippines can also be seen as a move to strengthen regional security in Southeast Asia. With increased military support, India and the Philippines can work together to address shared security challenges and promote stability in the region. Although this offer still requires further talks and negotiations between the two sides, its potential to enhance the Philippines' military capabilities and strengthen bilateral relations between India and the Philippines cannot be ignored. The international community will continue to monitor these developments, with the hope that cooperation between the two countries will bring positive benefits to security and development in the region.